Hi guys, welcome to episode 2. So today I'm going to be talking about the most important thing and the first thing you need to invest in to look more stylish or to dress better, and that is the right pair of pants, trousers, jeans, whatever is your style. Okay, so firstly you need to invest in the right pair because it's literally the foundation for everything. So how to find the right pair and what to invest in. Now this is something that you really want to save up for or wait for a good sale and actually invest and buy it, because this is going to go a long way, and trust me, it's way better than spending a lot of money on fancy single pieces that you can wear only once or dresses that you can wear only once. You really need to invest in the right pair of jeans, because jeans or trousers, whatever your style is, again, because they are literally going to be that one thing which is going to be the foundation for everything that you build up from there. Okay, so what I basically do is I invest in neutral colors, and I would suggest the same thing for you, because neutral colors literally bring out the best in everyone, and you really can build up a color scheme, any color scheme from there. So I would suggest invest in black, white, brown, any shade of cream, maroon, a little bit of maroon maybe, and navy. You know, these colors will literally, these are all your neutral colors, and they will literally go on anything and make you look really great. And start from there. Pick a designer piece is what I would suggest. Instead of buying 2 to 3 jeans on sale or off sale from local or regular brands, I would really suggest that invest in something great. Now invest in something of good quality, and if not, like, save up for it or wait for a good sale, because there are a lot of sales going on even currently. So that's something I would suggest. Now how to find the right jeans for your skin type or for your body type. So firstly, according to the color of your skin, if you are a neutral toned or warm toned person, I would suggest warmer toned clothes bring out the best in you. Okay, like instead of just going for pale colors, just go for something that is more warmer. And also you really need to find out what sort of complexion you have, again, which will help bring out the best in you. So I'm going to be making separate videos for that, so stay tuned for the same. Now, depending on your body type, so there are a lot of different body types. I think there's something called as an apple, a pear, an hourglass, etc. Okay, so you really need to find that out. Now personally for me, I'm 5'3", and my height is something that I used to be a little insecure about, so I always opted for high-waisted jeans which do not show a muffin top. That is really important for me. Also, there's a lot that you can work on, like the fitting around your thighs, the fitting around your butt, the fitting around your waist, anything. So you really need to wear the jeans. Instead of shopping online, first make sure that you've worn it or tried it out, and then you invest in it, because it's going to go a long way again. And once you get the right pair of jeans, again, depending on your body type, like as I said, if you're shorter, you should definitely opt for high-waisted jeans, make your legs look longer. If you think that your legs are really long and or skinny, maybe you can probably opt for mid-waist or low waist, depending again on your body type. So I would really suggest that make sure you invest in something which suits you. Don't just follow around all different sorts of influencers and models and just copy what they're doing. Make sure that what you're buying or investing in really brings out the best in you. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like, share, comment, and if you want a in-depth version and more details in this video, make sure you follow my YouTube channel, and I'll be posting more over there. Thank you.